In this video, I am going to teach you how to make buttons work on your card.co website. So in order to do this, first thing you need to do is to head over to card.co website, which is the card.co with double R. Now you should be able to see in here this site. So into this site right here, you have two options. You can either sign up by choosing a starting point while also designing at the same time. You can also log in if you already have an account. So since I already have an account, I'll just head over and click on login. Once you successfully logged in, you can see in here the design that you have published. So into this part, what we can do is you can click onto this pencil icon in order to edit this site. You can also create a new site if you would want to. Now here is our website. Into this, what we can do is we can click on the button if it's already been existing. If the button is not yet existing, you can click onto this plus icon in order to add your new button. So since I already have this button right here, let me just click on it. Now in order to make it work, you need to make sure to expand it and input right here your desired label. So for example, let's make it shop now. And then choose in here the icon that you would want for that. They have in here a drop down for which you want to actually use. So we have in here a lot of things. So just choose in here which one you want to actually utilize for this. Now in here, next thing you need to do is to make sure that you have in here this URL added. Input right here a working URL, like for example, shopify.com. And then from in there, make sure to unexpand it, click on done, click onto this publish option, scroll down and click onto this publish changes. So this will publish the changes that we have made. You can click on this view site option. And then from in there, once you have done that, you can see in here the changes that we have made. When you click onto the shop now, this will direct you to the new site that you have added from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.